Hello everybody, thanks for joining us as we do life together one day at a time.
Alright guys, so we're working the bush hog today. This is the new one and this is the old ones. So yeah, we got some issues with the blades. So we're now we got the old blades off. Got the bolts out. Got them all cleaned up. That's done. So the Kubota 2501 is should be cutting grass sometime today or tomorrow. Just got to get the new blades back on there. I did take the center nut off because it was real gummed up, so I'm cleaning it. I'm going to put a new cotter pin. I have to put my nut back on. I'll put my new cotter pin on there. I'm going to bend it, you know, where it don't come out. So I'm going to clean that up. I'm going to grease everything, you know. Grease all the fittings, grease the tires. So I'm going to do that. So, yeah, we're getting there. We had a big issue getting these blades off though, because I had a 1/2 inch impact on it. I had this one on there, which is a very good impact. I had that one. I had the breaker bar, which it's no more. It's going to the scrap yard now. So that's no good. Well, it's a Craftsman. I might better swap it out. We'll see. We broke that. Oh yeah, we broke a extension. It just goes to show you what kind of force it's put into these bolts, trying to get them to break loose. So I recommend, if you're going to do this at home, y'all, I went to Harbor Freight. I picked up this 3/4 inch drive. This thing is 1,700 foot-pounds of torque. I had to heat them a little bit. I put a little bit more PB blaster on them. Got them PB blasted up. Put the torch on for a few minutes. And then turned the big compressor on. And we put this big bad boy on them. And just held it down for about 5 seconds. And all of a sudden it ripped them off. So don't do like I did. Don't fight it for a day. Trying to thinking you can muscle it and put pipe on it and extensions, and you're just gonna sit there and pull your back out or something. I was sore this morning. So guys, I had it before I went and bought the impact. I had this sheet of pipe on it. I had the ratchet in there. I had the chain fall tied on here, and I was pulling it with the chain fall. It just ripped. I mean, it was just breaking extensions and stuff and ratchets, so I don't recommend doing that. Anyway, we're going to get the blades bolted back up. Once we get it running, we'll make a little video showing y'all cutting the grass, and we'll get it back together. But the only advice I can give to you is get an impact. If you can get a 6-point socket, get the 6-point. I couldn't find a 6-point. I got the 12-point, which kind of, when it goes on there and you're fighting it, it wants to slip a little bit. So you're losing all that torque. Which, when the bolt's tight, you want everything to be tight when you get your torque. So, this is 1 inch and 11/16. I recommend you get a 6-point. It gives you more torque on it. I couldn't find one, so I went with this. But it worked. The main thing I think that helped me out the most, well, did help me out, was going to get this thing right here. And I'm glad I did, because every other impact I had around here just would not break them. Everything I put on there, you know, when you got energy and you're trying to pull something like that, you got to have the right tools. The right tool makes a difference. It saves your back, saves your hands, and it makes it quicker. So I tried for a whole day, y'all, fighting it, and the day I said nope, we're gonna get a new impact. So here we are with a new impact. As you can see, the old blades are off. They over here on the ground. Both of them are very well. I mean, they're gone. They're gone. Just nothing left to them. So guys, I'm gonna get the 2 new blades back on there. I'm gonna put my center nut back on there. Put my cotter pin. Make sure all that's tight. I'm gonna grease everything up, and I'm gonna get it running. And I'll shoot a little video out and show you it cutting, and we're gonna do test pass, make sure it cuts right and don't wobble and all that stuff, because you want it to cut good. We kind of use it as a finish mower. One day I'm gonna get another finish mower, you know. But right now we kind of use it as a finish mower, so I want it to cut good. You know, it just, we'll show you a video of it going again. So, but man, this bush hog's been through a lot cleaning this property. As you can see, we actually, my brother and I, we took the back of it, was ripped out through here, ripped out over there. So we put a piece of 1/4-inch plate in here, welded it, bended it, stretched it back in, welded the top, welded it all the way around, and put some more braces inside of it. So now I can back up into something, a little small tree or something, you know, when you're hogging, and it's not just going to fold up. It's tight now. So, all right, guys, let me get this thing back running. We'll like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below, please. We appreciate all y'all liking our channel and showing some love. And just one day at a time. That's what we're doing. Thank you.
Just change the blades. Let's see how we done. I'd say we got it.